If you deleted a WhatsApp chat and didn't have a backup, don't panic. Here are a few ways you can try to recover your messages even without backup. First, know that WhatsApp doesn't store your chat history on its server. Once deleted and not backed up, recovery becomes tricky. But there are still a few methods you can try. First is to check WhatsApp archived chats. And to do that, go to your WhatsApp, then tap on Archived. After that, look for deleted chats. Sometimes it's not deleted, just archived. And if found, just swipe left, then tap on Archive. Next, use third-party recovery tools like Dr. Phone, TenorShare, or iMobile Phone Rescue. These apps scan your iPhone or Android storage to recover deleted WhatsApp data. First, install the tool on your computer, then connect your phone via USB. After that, choose Recover WhatsApp Data. Then, let the tool scan your device and preview and recover deleted chats if found. Next, ask the other person. If you deleted a chat, the person you were talking to may still have the conversation on their device. Ask them to screenshot, export, or forward the messages back to you. And if you want to avoid this next time, just go to Settings, then tap on Chats. After that, go into Chat Backup and turn on Auto Backup with Google Drive or iCloud. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these, and thank you for watching.